we are in the beautiful trail. Look how beautiful this is. In
Kaumepan,
Kaumepan,
Inthanon.
yeah.
And this is our guide,
Yeah, we have a guide.
local guide from the Hmong tribes. Hey.
Look how beautiful this is.
Even the Queen of Thailand came to see this waterfall.
It's crazy.
ถ่ายรูปไม่ได้ทีว่ะไม่ได้รูปแม่เลย
It's a waterfall? Like a mini waterfall?
Let's look, Her Majesty Queen Sirikit
Not the Queen's visit.
9 times. Wow, amazing.
Wow, guys, look at this. Guys, this is so.
It's gorgeous.
What?
On top of the mountains.
We are up. Look how curvy it is. Wow.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Whoa.
Hello, guys. It's the end of the trail.
This is the trail that we did.
Yeah.
And we were at this altitude, 2,562 above the sea level.
I'm literally crying tears of joy.
Yeah, we did this. 15 points.
I'm shaking right now, guys.
Yeah, it was pretty steep, but we did it. It took us 2 hours. It was
Anyway,
great.
see you guys in the next video. This took me a long time. Bye.